Hi, I'm Amy of Team McWin. On this channel, we show you how we travel the world with our 9-to-5 jobs, and we do deep dives on our favorite travel gear. We just got back from a 1-week trip to Disneyland, and we wanted to show you folks what we learned and how you can pack for Disneyland in 2022 in just a single carry-on bag. In this video, we'll show you the bags that we brought with us, our clothes, tech kits, toiletries, and any miscellaneous items. We hope that this will help you as you generate your packing list so that you can go to Disneyland in style. Let us know down in the comments what you think of our gear and if you have any questions on your next trip to Disneyland. Without further ado, let's dive right in. For my carry-on bag, I brought with me the Air Travel Pack 2. I absolutely love this bag. It's been my go-to for the past 3 years on all of our adventures around the world. It's got a great harness system with padded straps so you feel really comfortable as you're walking around the airport. I also brought with me the Low & Sons Waverly 2 purse. This purse is my go-to daily driver. It holds all of my essentials that I'll need in the day, and I can put my phone and my GoPro into it. It's just amazing. It also has a card pouch on the back of the purse, so I can easily store the hotel key or any other card that I might need for the day. What I also love about this purse is that it can go from clutch to crossbody to fanny pack. That's what makes it very versatile. I'll do a deeper dive on this purse in a later video. Moving on to clothes. I think clothes in a packing list is subjective to everyone, but what I do recommend when you go to Disneyland is to wear clothes that are a little bit nicer but definitely comfortable. The idea behind this is that you're going to be walking around the park taking pictures with cast members and characters and posting them to Instagram, and so you just want to look a little bit more elevated. For my clothes list, I brought 2 dresses with me. I brought this dress. It is the Wool and Rowena swing dress. I absolutely love it. It is the most versatile dress that I own. I also brought with me the Hack With Design House oversized dress. This dress was primarily for photo shoots with cast members, and it was just really nice and comfortable as I walked around the park because it was linen, and so it worked well when it was sunny and when it got a little chillier at night. I highly recommend it. I did purchase a sash to go along with it just to help cinch in the waist, but I do highly recommend this dress, especially at Disneyland, and we'll try to link some of our photos into the video. In addition to dresses, I also recommend bringing 2 rompers. I think 2022 is a season of rompers, and they are just so nice and versatile. So I have this gray romper from 10 Tomorrow and the romperalls from Smash Plus Tess. Moving on to tops, I recommend bringing 3 tops, one that you can work out in, one that you can sleep in, and also one that you can wear underneath your romper while you're in the park. For my tops that I have here, I have a crop top from Fabletics, a long sleeve from Wool-X, and a sleep tank top from Akua Creative. Moving on to bottoms, I recommend bringing a pair of biker shorts to wear underneath your dresses as you're going around the park and to work out in, and also a pair of sleep shorts. The bottoms that I have here with me are biker shorts from Fabletics and a pair of sleep shorts from United Standard. If your hotel has a pool, you gotta bring a swimsuit. This one is from Andy Swim, and it's the Mykonos. It's absolutely gorgeous and worked beautifully at the hotel we were at. And when you're going to the pool, you have to bring your pareo. This one is from Mana'ola. Mana'ola Yap is an amazing local designer in Hawaii. His prints are just gorgeous, and I highly, highly recommend them for folks. For bras and underwear, I recommend bringing 3 bras and 3 pairs of underwear. What I have here is the Danny bra from Free Label. I brought 2 of these, one to wear on the plane as I'm traveling over, and then one to pack in my bag. What I absolutely love about these 2 bras is that they fold down flat in your suitcase, and they're just extremely comfortable to wear. They're also supportive for women with larger chests. And then this bra is from K-Deer. It's their reversible bralette. I also brought with me 2 pairs of socks from Smart Wool. What I love about these is that they're made out of merino wool, so they won't smell and they'll be easy to wash. Lastly, I recommend bringing a rain jacket with you or a poncho. This one is the Eddie Bauer Port Townsend trench jacket. I absolutely love it. It does look a little big and bulky, but trust me, it squishes down really easily. A rain jacket or poncho can be really good for rides such as Splash Mountain and Grizzly River Rapids when you might get wet on the ride. For my shoes and footwear, I decided to bring one pair of Lem's Drifter shoes and one pair of Ulukai slippers. Seriously, I absolutely love the Lem's Drifter shoes. I think this is just like a great one shoe for women. They're super versatile. You can wear them casually or you could dress them up a little bit, don't go to a wedding in them, but they crunch down and fold really easily. So I highly recommend these for their packability. For my packing cube, I have a Peak Design packing cube in medium, an Eagle Creek shoe bag, and a small Eagle Creek pouch to hold my Mickey ears. If you're like me and tend to burn really easily while out in the sun, then I definitely recommend bringing a hat. I brought with me this crownless papale from Halepua. I absolutely love this hat because when I wear my hair in a top bun, it can poke through easily. And it wouldn't be a trip to Disneyland without Mickey ears. This is my first and only pair of Mickey ears. I got them at the Aulani Disneyland Resort here in Hawaii. As you can see, these ears are absolutely adorable and they come with this really cute shave ice pin. If you check my Instagram, you'll see how I Disney bound it as a Mickey shave ice cone. Moving on to toiletries. I packed everything that I needed in the Matador Flat Pack Roll Top toiletry bag. What I like about this bag is that it's lightweight, has a roll top design to it so that you can easily accommodate whatever items you want and just roll it down to fit all of your products. In my toiletry kit, I have my toothbrush, deodorant, makeup, moisturizer, hand sanitizer, and other products. If you want us to do a deep dive into our toiletry kits, let us know in the comments below. Moving on to technology. For your tech kit, I recommend only bringing what's necessary. For our trip to Disneyland, it was also partly a work trip. I brought with me my MacBook Air, my iPad Pro with the Apple Pencil, my Kindle, my Sony Bluetooth headphones, AirPods, and a pair of wired headphones just in case. For cords, I like to keep everything as minimalist as possible. So I have the Anker 30-watt wall adapter, and this is powerful enough to charge all of my devices. I also have the USB-C to USB-C cable, a calamari cable from Outdoor Tech. I absolutely love the calamari cord. It's got a USB-A port on one side, and then a USB-C, micro USB, and lightning port on the other side, and a portable battery bank. Having one of these is important for when you're in the park so that you can charge while you're on the go. I'll put a link in the description to some of my favorites, including ones that are very small so that they can fit into a purse. Last but not least is miscellaneous items. Now for miscellaneous items, these items will vary depending on your needs. Again, I like to keep my packing as minimalist as possible, and I keep the same for my miscellaneous category. For this trip, I brought with me a lacrosse ball. Lacrosse balls are absolutely amazing to have in your backpack while you're on your trip. You can use it to massage your shoulders or your back and also your feet. We use this almost every single day because we were walking about 7 miles while we were at Disneyland. It was great to just roll our feet out at the end of the day. I also recommend bringing a small towel like this one from Matador. This towel is super compact and folds down flat. It's also great to use while you're in the park to control any sweat or shine, or to use if you get wet on Splash Mountain. Speaking of Splash Mountain, it also doesn't hurt to pack a small dry bag like this one from Sea to Summit. That way you can put your phone and any valuables in here. In addition, don't forget to bring your favorite hand sanitizer and also a pair of sunglasses. So there you have it. That's everything that I would recommend bringing to Disneyland in 2022. If you found value from this video, please go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, ahui ho. So for my carry-on backpack, I brought, oh, she's heavy. It's heavy. One more time.